early. Nobody got college or nothing.
Do you want burger, Shasha?
Just make a fresh chicken and burger bun, yeah. Burger bun, we finish. You doing that? So you stay there.
Can you see my new ironing board?
I know, that's so cool. You've got a steaming on it.
Yeah, steam generator.
That's so wonderful.
I followed Angie's as well, because she's got one.
Her.
Yeah, she sent me a video on.
Big teeth.
Look, yeah. She sent me a video.
I'm about to indulge.
Yeah, she does.
So you followed Angie's advice. I could steam calm my hair. I'll try that out.
They call it Food Ranger, that's what they call it, Food Ranger.
I don't know what they do.
Yours got a light on as well.
But I haven't turned it on yet, so. Yeah, hers is you just do that and rinse it out. You never get that much steam from
Regular iron, nah. That's constant steam.
So, judging, going by Angelina's ones, the one we've got is a little bit more powerful than Angie's. But I'll close it down so it doesn't dry. Got to do the job. Hello.
Who's that? That was not Marvel. Great. There's automatic demo. We call it automatic. Look for gear stick in it. Look that way.
Just see what there is, and either way you'll be able to drive it. So.
Look, pick up. I'm going through
Yeah.
the filters.
I think that's definitely what we want.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
If you
Yeah.
part exchange your car for one. that's
No. I can't stay for it.
Oh, okay.
Sure. It's the car belongs to me next year. So next year we finish paying the fee.
And then it'll be Savard and
It'll be a bar.
Shasha and Marley.
Sure.
Do. So you think that doctor killed Hannock's wife?
You're gonna find out now. It's Monday. Terrible, isn't it?
Yeah. You're supposed to trust these people